Hi, I hope you are doing really well and welcome to another new video. By the way, today our topic is how to add domain in Shopify store. It is a very easy step. Just follow my tricks and tips how you can buy a domain in Shopify store. As you can see, we have logging in our Shopify admin panel and we are set up our store. I hope so you already did complete your setup. So right now you need to go in the setting option. It will be find in the below of left side. So click on the setting and you will find out some variable option where you can see that they have lots of options. So find out the option, it's called domains, and click on the domains. You will find out in the below of apps and sales channel. Just click on the domains and you will be redirected to the page and the interface will be like this. And you can see we have already a default domain which is provided by Shopify. As you can see, we can connect our existing domain here. For that we need to be click on the connect existing domain. Once you click on that place, they will give you the option to add your existing domain. If you have any, then just search here and then click on the next. But right now we don't have any. We will purchase a new domain. So for that reason we need to be click on the buy new domain. It is behind the connect existing domain. Just click on buy new domain and here you need to be search the name what you want. Like right now I am want a domain which name will be what the simple, and they will give us some suggestion. You can see we already find out a domain that worth only $16 and the domain name is whatthesimple.com. If you find out it is really good for you or your business, then just click on the buy. Once you click on the buy, they will redirect to a checkout page. In here you need to be fulfill your first name last name and you need to be provide your card access here and just click on buy domain. In this way you can purchase a new domain. Also there is another option, you can change your existing domain name. Like right now we have another name that is BB which is randomly they provide us. If we want to change this one, we just need to click on the change to a new myshopify.com domain. Just click here and they will provide you. Like right now I am providing a name that is really simple, it's called be simple, and they will provide us suggestion that the store with the URL already exists. So we need to be select a unique name that does not take by anyone. So right now we can add another alphabet like the simple, the existing name already existed here, so we need to be add some number. It will be find out a unique name. So in here we can see that we have, and right now if we click on add domain, it is done our work. And right now we have another store. It is a primary for online store. Once we click on here, we can see that our work is done and right now we can view our store. If you click on the view store, you will find out that your store has been created. So it is a simple process. You need to just follow my guidelines and you will find out the video is really helpful for you. So for that reason, today's our video will be end here. I hope you will love the video. If you find out the video is really helpful for you, then click on the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.